Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are all doing very well. I recently got my treadmill and hopefully I could continue this weight loss during this hard time that we're all going through. And I also have my goodies here. I have a BOXYCHARM ready to show you guys what I got inside. It comes like that. So it basically just shows you about 5 products that you think would be basic. But like, let me tell you, this is amazing. I think I prefer this over makeup wipes. And then this, I'm so excited to use. It's a body wash infused buffer. So basically it's like a sponge, but it has the body wash inside. I'm not too excited about the Murad. This is a product from Murad. It's a hydration product. Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Well, it's an eye product. But I did have a problem with the vitamin C cleanser they have. It broke me out. I don't know why, but it did. Hopefully, you know, I can't judge that much. I have to try it before I say anything about it. So hopefully it works out. Next, I have the Gloss Glow by Becca. Ooh, look, it's clear. It's not white like regular ones. Ooh. So it's one, for sure, it's one of those sticky ones, but it smells amazing. It smells like it has some mint. Something very minty and awesome. It's actually a shade called Snapdragon. Nice. And the very last thing is the very own BOXYCHARM. Hello, Charmer. It's an eyeshadow palette. It comes with these cute little 12 shades. Wow, oh my god, so nice. Let me swatch the rest of them for you. Ooh, cute. This is a glitter one. Okay. Nice. And last shade. Wow, I'm so impressed. I can't wait to make a look with this. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more makeup videos and more subscription boxes. Bye.